Student, today we are going to learn type of chemical reaction. Before that, we have learned how to balance the chemical reaction. You have to first write down the chemical reaction, then make the columns of element, reactant atoms, product atoms, write the respective elements in that column, count the number of atoms of the reactant, count the number of atoms in the product side. If any one of the atom is unbalanced, then you have to balance that atom, but chemical formula of that compound should not be changed. म्हणजे केमिकल फॉर्म्युला हा नाही बदलला पाहिजे, हे लक्षात ठेवा. आता पुढचा जो पार्ट आहे त्यामध्ये आपण काय शिकणार आहे, टाइप्स ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन. विच आर दे? फर्स्ट वन कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन, next one decomposition reaction, third one displacement reaction, and fourth one double displacement reaction. There are 4 types of chemical reaction. First one combination reaction, next one decomposition reaction, displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. आता या शब्दांमध्येच त्याचे अर्थ आहेत. combination reaction, first one is combination reaction. What is mean by combination reaction? When 2 or more reactants combine in a reaction to form a single product. That is, in combination reaction there are 2 or more reactants. They combine together to form a single product. That is, to the product side you will get only single product. Then it is called as combination reaction. For example, I have written one example on this blackboard. Before that, we will see on page number 35. You can see here, use your brain power. This part is omitted from your syllabus. So, on the next page, you can see one activity is given. What is that activity? Take a small amount of hydrochloric acid in a test tube. Heat the test tube. That is, you have to take HCl in one test tube and you have to give the heat to the HCl. Then what will happen? And take a glass rod in the ammonium solution, dip that rod in the ammonium solution and hold on the top of test tube. So what will happen? When you heated HCl in a test tube, then vapors of the HCl come out and they will react to the glass rod which is present on the top of that test tube and which contain ammonium solution. And ammonium chloride, this salt is formed. I am going to read this activity which is present on the page number 36. Take a small amount of HCl in a test tube, heat the test tube, dip a glass rod in ammonium solution, hold on the top of test tube. You will observe white smoke emanating means coming from tip of the glass rod. What must have happened? That is, what is the chemical reaction? Due to heating of HCl, vapors started coming out from the test tube. Then NH3 gas came out from the solution of the glass rod. The ammonium gas and hydrogen chloride gas reacted to each other and there is a formation of ammonium chloride which is present in the gaseous phase. After some time at the room temperature, it is converted to solid state. As a result, the white smoke was coming out from the test tube. The chemical reaction for that is given. That is, this is the combination reaction. Why this is the combination reaction? Because in this reaction, there are 2 reactants. Reactant means the substances which are present on your left side or which are present on the left side of the reaction. बघा, जे लेफ्ट साइडला असतात त्यांना काय म्हणतो आपण? रिएक्टंट. यू कॅन सी हिअर अमोनिया अँड हायड्रोजन क्लोराइड. बघा किती रिएक्टंट आहेत? 2. दे कंबाईन टू फॉर्म ओनली 1 सिंगल प्रोडक्ट. म्हणजे इथं कंबाईन होतात आणि किती प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होणार आहेत? ओनली 1. दॅट इज अमोनियम क्लोराइड. आता अमोनियम क्लोराइड सोडला तर आणि कुठला प्रोडक्ट इथं आहे का? नाही. म्हणजे इन अ कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन there are 2 or more reactant but only single product is formed. एकच प्रोडक्ट जेव्हा फॉर्म होणार त्या रिएक्शनला काय म्हणायचं? कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन. Then what is the example of combination reaction? The ammonium gas and HCl gas reacted to form the salt ammonium chloride, which is present in the gaseous phase or state and got transferred into solid state after some time or at a room temperature. This is the example of combination reaction. What is the next example? You can see on burning magnesium strip in air, magnesium oxide is formed. That is, when you take magnesium strip and burn in the air, then magnesium oxide is formed. Oxygen is present in the air combined with the magnesium to form magnesium oxide. Then what is the chemical reaction? 2Mg plus O2, it gives rise to 2MgO. This is magnesium, this is oxygen, and it gives rise to magnesium oxide. Then you can see here are two reactants. Reactant किती आहेत बघा, इथे दोन रिएक्टंट आहेत आणि प्रोडक्ट किती आहे बघा. प्रोडक्ट हे कायम तुमच्या राईट साइडला प्रेझेंट असतात. किती प्रोडक्ट आहेत? ओनली वन प्रोडक्ट इज प्रेझेंट. सो इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन when there are two or more reactant combine to form only single product, then it is called as combination reaction. When question is asked in the exam, write the combination reaction, then you have to write the definition of the combination reaction with the one or two examples. तिथं मार्कावर अवलंबून आहे. जर 2 मार्काला क्वेश्चन्स असेल तर 2 एक्झाम्पल लिहा. जर 3 मार्काला असेल तरी सुद्धा 2 एक्झाम्पल लिहायला पाहिजेत. म्हणजे डेफिनेशन विचारली 1 मार्काला तर फक्त डेफिनेशन लिहिली तर चालेल, पण एक्झाम्पल लिहिलं तर जास्त तुम्हाला हे मिळेल, म्हणजे मार्क मिळतील. हे लक्षात ठेवा. म्हणजे ॲप्रोप्रिएट आन्सर तुम्हाला काय मिळाल, तुम्हाला काय समजले, जेव्हा एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही लिहिता तेव्हा तुम्हाला काय समजले हे लक्षात येते. आता इथं लक्षात घ्या, कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन मध्ये 2 किंवा त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त रिएक्टंट असतात. दे विल कंबाईन टू फॉर्म सिंगल प्रोडक्ट. आणि त्यापासून किती प्रोडक्ट तयार होणार आहे? फक्त एकच प्रोडक्ट तयार होणार आहे. नाउ नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल बघा. यू कॅन सी हिअर ऍक्टिव्हिटी 3. दॅट इज द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल ऑफ द कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन. When slacked line means calcium oxide, CaO, calcium oxide, combined with the water, then calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH2. You can see here CaOH2 is formed and large amount of heat is given out. When slacked line combined with the water, calcium hydroxide is formed and heat is given out. What is the chemical reaction? What is the formula of a slacked line? CaO plus H2O. This is the formula of water. These two reactants combine to form calcium hydroxide, CaOH2 plus heat. You can see here are two reactants combined to form only single product. बघा, जी हीट आहे ती प्रोडक्ट म्हणून धरायची नाही. Heat is given out only. You have to write only heat plus heat. But only product is 1. Product किती फॉर्म होतो? Only 1. So it is a combination reaction. Always remember, you have to remember these chemical reaction. या chemical reaction पाठच करायच्या आहेत with their chemical formula. 2Mg plus O2 2MgO. हे जे आहे ते chemical reaction तुम्हाला पाठच करायला लागणार. So write it n number of times. प्रॅक्टिस काय करायला पाहिजे? केमिकल रिएक्शनची प्रॅक्टिस केली पाहिजे. CaO प्लस H2O गिव्ह राईज टू CaOH2. ह्या केमिकल रिएक्शन तुम्हाला पाठ कराव्या लागणार. देन यू कॅन राईट इन युअर एक्झाम.